Сволочи!
Fucking asshole.
Start recording event video.
Fuck!
You are stupid.
About, and it was a sort of a journey.
That'd be the fucking green arrow.
Actually, these are things that I am deeply interested in and that I want to ask questions about.
What a wanker.
Was there a catalyst or something that happened in your
Fucking hell. But there was a camera for that. Fuck off.
Denied.
Jesus. Are you fucking serious?
I am serious. And don't call me Shirley.
What the fuck, you dumb shit. Doing 100 in the 100 turn zone. You fucking goose. Less than 100. 93. In 110 zone. Get Peter shit off the road. Now he's speeding up. You fucking cockhead. Look at that. Nothing can beat Lima 996. Old XL. You're a fucking cockhead, mate. You're a fucking loser. It's putting up he doesn't want me to pass him now. Because I flashed the lights at him. You're a fucking loser. You're a fucking cockhead, mate.
Fuck me! What the fuck are you doing, idiot?
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
In prison.
Independent Senator Lydia Thorpe has hit out at the Prime Minister over his comments about her behaviour in public. This political reporter Chantal Alcourt.
In footage aired on 7 News, Senator Lydia Thorpe was seen in an altercation with a group of men in Melbourne at the early hours of... She was standing up for herself after she was provoked and subjected to racism. Prime Minister Anthony Albanese yesterday urged her to seek support for health issues. She said suggestion she needs mental health continues what she described as a racist and misogynistic narrative used to discredit and silence outspoken women, particularly Indigenous women.
A court has heard a Logan woman who allegedly used the personal details of a SeaWorld chopper crash victim to avoid paying a traffic fine, plans to plead guilty. The Department Kelly. 33-year-old Stephanie Louise Bennett appeared before a Beenleigh magistrate today. Wearing a headscarf, glasses and a mask, she declined to comment as she left court with her lawyer. She's facing 2 counts of fraud.
What the hell are you doing?
Ashley Jenkinson as the driver of her car when she was caught using her mobile phone late last year.
Scotty's gonna love you.
Details from an obituary after his death in a mid-air joy flight collision on the Gold Coast. The matter was adjourned until next Wednesday. The finance now on the market, the ASX 200 fell 362. The Australian dollar is worth 67.19 US cents. Queensland's weather, isolated showers and storms tomorrow for the northern peninsula and Torres Strait, partly cloudy with scattered showers for the north tropical coast, exposed southern coast and parts of the southeast. Brisbane and the Sunshine Coast tomorrow, 17 to 26 degrees, the Gold Coast 17 to 25, Ipswich 14 to 26. A few showers to the southeast Saturday, Sunday and Monday. Morecambe Bay, southerly winds reaching 25 knots, seas around 1.5 metres.
You were going to come to the other show. And then Sam and I were going to go to both. Oh my god! You okay? It's okay.
Fuck you.
In 300 meters, at the run. 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 300 meters
Alright, what are you laying at me for? Oh, fuck. Jesus.
One way, mate.
A lot of other persons, but I need to go under the
Traffic light turns green.
And I had surgery, and I came out, and I came out the other end. It was fine, but in terms of what they gave me, the service they did, I was 110% satisfied with what they gave me.
You can only be at the maximum you can be satisfied is 100%. I don't want to be pedantic, but that always gets me.
You know, no, that's correct. You're correct. I mean, it's met my expectations to the fullest part of what I would have expected. And, you know, so you're correct in what you're saying, but they met my expectations in part that I wouldn't have expected it. And it was, you know, I had, from my first experience, I've got a friend that has and I just want to express that. I've got a friend that his wife is a nurse that's been a nurse for 30 years plus. And back in 2020, she was a hero. And in past.
Whoa!
Fucking idiots!
Oh, that one's for Scotty. They didn't even look!
What's your problem? You almost hit me there, mate. How about you learn to share the road next time? Motorists have got such anger issues.